Hi everyone. Thank you for joining and a very warm welcome. Today we are going to do a very exciting activity and the name of the activity is letter art. This activity is for students of grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. I repeat, this activity letter art is for students of grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. This activity helps in improving your creativity, it helps in fine motor skill development, and it also increases your concentration power. So, three benefits from this activity. Now, before we start the activity, let's see what all materials do we require for today's activity. So, for today's activity, we need two sheets of paper. I repeat, we would need two sheets of paper. Here I have taken white plain paper, but you can take any color paper that you like. The second thing that we need is we require watercolors. We require watercolors. You can take any different colors. I have taken here three. I have taken white, blue and yellow. You can take any color you want. The next thing that you would need is a sponge. If you don't have a sponge, you can use a cotton. If you don't have a cotton, you can also use a piece of a cloth. So, I will quickly repeat the materials that you need. You need two sheets of paper. You will need some watercolors of your choice. You will need a sponge or a cotton. You would also require a scissor, but I would request you that please use scissor under the guidance of your parents. So, I will give you 2 minutes and I want all of you to quickly go and get your materials. You require two pieces of paper, a sponge or a cotton. You would need some watercolors and you would also need a scissor that you will use with the help of your parents. So I will quickly wait for 2 minutes. I hope all of you are getting your materials ready. All those who have joined just now, hi and a very good morning. So today the activity that we are going to do is known as letter art. For this activity, we would need two pieces of paper. You can choose any color paper that you like. You need some watercolor, some water paints. You need a sponge. If you don't have a sponge, do not worry. You can take a piece of cotton. If you don't have a piece of cotton, then you can also use a piece of a cloth. Then you would also require scissor in the beginning because we will cut a piece of paper. But before you use scissor, please make sure you take help from your parents and you use scissor under your parents' guidance. Great, I will wait for a minute more and then we will get started with our interesting activity for today. We will wait for a minute more. I hope all of you are getting your materials. Let's wait for half a minute more and then we will start with our activity. Great. So I hope all of you are now ready with your activity and we can start making our letter art. But before we start making our activity, let's count backwards from 10 to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Z, E, R, O, 0. Great. Now let's start the activity. So the activity name is letter art. Now first, all of you know the first letter of your name, right? For example, if your name is Ananya, the first letter of your name will be A. If your name is Raghav, then the first letter of your name would be R. If your name is Shreya, then the first letter of your name would be S. If your name is Tanuj, then the first letter of your name would be T. So, all of you know the first letter of your name, correct? Great. Now, what we are going to do is, we will take our first sheet of paper and we will cut the first letter of our name using the paper and a scissor. I repeat, we will cut out the first letter of our name using the first piece of paper and a scissor. So you can either write your first letter of your name and then you can cut it. Now students, for this, when you are cutting the first letter of your name, please take help from your parents because you will be using scissor. I request all of you to please cut the first letter of your names using scissor under the guidance of your parents. Please take help from your parents while you are cutting the first letter of your name. So, I have taken the cutout of letter K like this. I hope all of you can see the letter K. Actually, now I will twist. Now can you see the letter K? I will adjust it a bit. Yes. So like this, I want all of you to take the cutout of your letter, the first letter of your name. For example, if it's A, then it will be something like this. Great. So I will give you 2 minutes to get this ready. All those who have joined now, what we are doing is we are cutting out the first letter of our name. I have made the cutout of letter K. In the same way, you will also take the first letter of your name and you will make the cutout. I hope all of you are doing this work. I will give you a minute more. I have made the cutout of letter K. I hope all of you are also ready with the cutout. I hope all of you are also ready with the cutout. I will wait for half a minute more for all of you to be ready with the cutout of the first letter of your name. So I have made a K here. So in order to make the K, I first took this cutout, and then I took two small cutouts, and then this is my K. Okay, I'm sure all of you are ready with the cutouts. Let's count till 10, and by the time I come to 0, I hope all of you will be ready with your cutouts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Now let's see what do we do next. Great. Now let's see what do we do next. Now the next step is we will take our second paper and we will put it on the table. Now we will take the letter cutout. So I have made the letter K. So now we will put the cutout, the letter K on the paper. Similarly, if you have made an A or a P or a T, you will put the cutout on the paper. Now what do we do next is we will take our first paint. So here I am taking a blue paint. Now students, the first thing that you have to do is please be careful to make sure that the letter cutout that you have put on the paper remains intact. Now I am taking a blue color paint. I am not touching the letter K. I am putting the paint blue outside. I am not putting any paint on my letter K cutout. Now I will choose another color. The other paint that I am choosing is a yellow color paint. I will again put some paint on the paper, but I am not touching my letter K. I am putting my paint outside the letter K. Great. Now I am taking the third color. I am taking a purple color paint. I will again put some paint on the paper, but outside the letter K. I am not touching the letter K cutout. So here I have used purple, yellow and blue color paint. You can choose any color paint that you like. Now I will not add any water. The next step that I am going to do is I will take my sponge and I am just going to dab on the paint and make sure I color the entire paper, leaving my K cut out. So in order to make sure that the letter that you have kept, the letter cutout that you have kept on the paper is intact, you can hold the cutout or press the cutout from your left hand, and you can use the sponge to dab the paint outside the letter K from your right hand. Now I will dab and I will paint if you want. You can put something heavy on top of your letter cutout so that it is intact. You can use sparkles if you want, You can use any color that you want. You just have to make sure that you are only coloring the outside of the cutout and not the cutout. Okay, now I will put some yellow paint and I will cover the outline of my letter K. So I am taking the yellow color and I'm just putting some yellow color just outside on the outline of my letter K. Now I'm going to hold and press my letter K again so it is intact. And now I am just dabbing on the outline of my letter K. I hope all of you are also following the activity and doing the activity along with me. You just have to make sure that your letter cutout is intact. So make sure you're holding the letter cutout from one hand. So I think my painting is done. As you can see, I have covered all the outline of my paper, but I have not colored my letter and I have kept my letter cutout intact. Now the next step is we will now remove the paper cutout. Now let's see how did this turn out. Okay, so I am very excited to see how did my letter K, my letter R turn out. So here you can say my letter K is ready. Now you can use different colors, you can use different patterns, you can also put sparkles everywhere. You can choose to put any color, any sparkle that you want to decorate your letter and make it a beautiful letter art. I hope all of you enjoyed doing this activity, and you can also make the letter art for your family, for your friends, and they will really love it. Now, students, I hope you really enjoyed the activity. You can also log into your student app. You can watch the same activity video and you can also upload your cover letter drawing that you made in your student app. I hope you truly enjoyed today's activity. Take care. Bye-bye.